Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up today on the 29LXBT from Cobra. This is for Christine in New York. Alright, Christine, over here. Oh, I should mention, there's a Mosfet final added to this radio. So over here we got 10 watts across the top scale. Coming in about 5. We'll turn this radio off here. And over here, for peak power, we got 40 and 30 right there. We're going to be right in between there. Hello, radio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5, 5. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check. 1, 2. Alright. You can hear that. Audio. Check, 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 check. It's pretty sensitive audio. 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 Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check. Talk back in the radio. Audio, check, 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 check. Let's check out who's on the air.